here at Indian Knob. The location to the parkway is incredible. Parkway is literally just right over there. It is in kind of a residential area. It's not a neighborhood by any means, but there are a few residential houses around. Got a really nice little parking spot here with some string lights that they've hung. This is just a storage building in here. Not sure where the light switch is for that light above. This light switch is for the string lights. They got some furniture in here. The agent said that he wasn't sure if they were done. It looks like they're not done furnishing it yet. It's a very beautiful remodel. They've done a good job. Your HVAC unit in here. I think if you added some color to this property and cleaned it up, it would look really, really good. I mean, they've done a really good job on this remodel. You can tell it's an older house. Ceilings are pretty low. I think it was built in the 60s, if I'm not mistaken. This is just your washer and dryer room with your water heater. So it is technically a 4-bedroom. It's on the smaller side of a 4-bedroom. These doorways are really short. They are probably close to 6 foot.